every day is different. Every video is different. But my passion will always be the same. This is Kai for Warshawn, aka Stormboy 13, and the storm has arrived. Wow! Hi guys, Stormboy 13. It's time for the weather for the forecast for the week ahead. Strong winds are forecast today, so I'm just going to have to make it snappy if I don't want to get caught out, because they are quite light at the moment, technically speaking. But anyways, well, so far this summer it's been a very unsettled one for the whole overall. The last few Saturdays we've just had constant low pressure. From Saturday the 6th we've had some thunderstorms breaking out in a northerly flow. Saturday the 13th, actually, having said that, it was a dry Saturday for where we was, but many places had some massive thunderstorms with low pressure close by, but it was in a different position. It was in the Mediterranean, which scooped up warm and humid air. Saturday the 20th, well, technically low pressure was close by. It was a bit of a near normal low with just sunshine and showers. Saturday 27th, which was last week Saturday, low pressure was close by and it was very windy with temperatures a bit below, just close to average, with cloud and rain around. And yesterday Saturday, very windy. Well, actually it was slightly less windy from where I was, but it was overcast, pieces of rain, temperatures were just close to average. But yeah, the last few Saturdays have just been pretty awful, unfortunately, for this time of the year, and it may not change that much into next Saturday. More on that in just a sec. But for this week's weather, it's actually going to be a very disappointing week for summer. Temperatures will be at or just a little bit below average for this stage in July. There will be a bit more sunshine compared to last week. Last week was dreadful. We've barely had any sunshine, and I think this week probably a little bit brighter, so I think that's a little bit of a consolation there. But it's going to be quite a windy week, but it also will be quite a showery week once again. So it's far from summer-like weather to what you want this week, but it might be a slight change next week. But for this week, we're focusing on not great. Let's start from today. Today we forecast some strong winds, unseasonably strong winds for this time of the year. But it should be mainly dry, slightly more unsettled further north, but from where I am in the East Midlands, we should have a dry day with good spells of sunshine. Temperatures though, even when the sun's out, 17 degrees Celsius, really poor temperatures for the time of the year. And the rainfall chance will be at around 0% because we've got a little bit of a ridge of high pressure in southern areas. However though, overnight we might see a few showers then be able to squeeze in across the East Midlands region overnight. Still stays windy, maybe dying down a little bit overnight. Temperatures much cooler than it was last night. We didn't get low 15 or 16 degrees. Tonight more about 9 or 10 degrees Celsius, so a much fresher night for sleeping. Anyways, Monday I think will be the driest day of the week, but even that we may still see some showers, particularly towards eastern counties of the East Midlands. There will be quite a bit of sunshine, still quite windy though, which is disappointing for this time of the year. Temperatures 18 degrees Celsius, again not particularly great, and the rainfall chance probably at around 40% at its maximum. Western areas may be a little bit lower than that. But I think on Tuesday there's the high pressure towards the Mediterranean is trying to scoop in across the UK but fails. So on Tuesday another weather front directly from the Atlantic, from the west. We could be seeing some heavy rainfall. Now timing's a little bit open to question. We may have a mostly dry day on Tuesday, but it could be by the evening time it could turn very wet. The rain could be quite heavy as well, so bear that in mind, particularly in central areas, so we could get a bit of a washout. More cloud on Tuesday, fewer showers before the rain van coming in, but again temperatures not great at all. In fact, if the rain comes earlier than predicted, we may only get up to around 16 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, and a rainfall chance at around 70%. Wednesday, there's still going to be some pieces of rain or showers around. Mostly cloudy on Wednesday, still still quite windy. Like I said, plenty of showers, some rain around. Temperatures 18 degrees at the very, very best, so again, not great. And the rainfall chance at around 50%. By the time we get to the end of the week, it's just sunshine and showers all the way through. So Thursday, winds still breeze. He said at least not going to hang around for too long, but we keep a theme of plenty of sunshine, but a lot of showers. In fact, it could be quite thundery on Thursday, so there might be quite a few flashes of lightning and a lot of rain in a short space of time. Temperatures maybe 19 degrees Celsius, the rainfall chance 70%. Similar theme on Friday, plenty of sunshine, further showers, still breezy, temperatures 18 degrees at the very best, and the rainfall chance 60%. By the time we get into next weekend, high pressure, it does look like there'll be a stronger chance that the high pressure will make its influence across the UK, but it could take quite some time. So fewer showers Saturday, still a bit breezy, but hopefully by then the winds will die down. We'll see a little bit more summery-like weather, temperatures still a little bit below average, 19 degrees on Saturday next week, that is. Rainfall chances around 20%. It does look like by the time we get into next week, a little bit more summery-like, much lighter winds, some sunshine or sunny spells around, very little rain around, and temperatures probably a little bit higher than what we've been used to. Having said that though, I'm not expecting a spell of hot weather until at least the very end of the month. It could change at the moment, well, it could change by the end of the week, but at the moment, don't expect heat wave-like conditions if you want until at least near the end of July. But this week we're far from it, I'm afraid, so you might want to get used to it. Anyways, that's it for this video, and also another video will be out today. Now, as you probably may have remembered, when we were on lockdown, every single Thursday night at 8 PM we always do the Clap for Carers event. It was stopped by the end of May as conditions, well, the coronavirus conditions have improved. With few patients take to hospital, and we scrapped the thing off from the end of May onwards. But this is I would say a bonus event. I wouldn't say this is one more, but today is the NHS's 72nd birthday, and what they've done over the last few months was extraordinary. Sadly, we've lost over 44,000 people as I speak from that time, but they've also saved many other lives. So today, 5 PM, this will be another video of me participating in the Clap for Carers event, to thank the NHS and of course to celebrate their 72nd birthday of this extraordinary journey they've been through. So you may want to keep an eye out for this video after this web forecast is out. And other than that, guys, have a great week, stay safe as always. The virus is still out there, but much fewer now. And like, comment, subscribe. Storm's now out.